For many Americans, filing income tax returns and paying taxes is a part of life. There is a reason, after all, that there is the existence of the phrase, "In this world, nothing is certain, except death and taxes." In 2023, the IRS received 162,037,0001 individual income tax returns and issued $335 billion in refunds. As income tax season comes around again, you might be wondering how taxes work and which taxes you are responsible for paying. For a lot of people, when they hear the word taxes, it's income tax that immediately comes to mind. However, there are several other types of taxes that are assessed and paid over the course of a year and your lifetime. When you stop to really think about it, you might be surprised to find how many types of taxes you have the potential of being subject to over the course of time. With that in mind, understanding the tax system and its potential cost can be very important to help individuals and businesses navigate their financial strategies to minimize the overall impact of taxes. An important part of long-term financial success lies in being efficient with your money to minimize taxes to the greatest extent legally possible. What are taxes? Simply put, taxes are the sum of money paid to the government to collectively fund spending towards public goods and services. Taxes are used to fund things like schools, roads, and various public programs, such as Social Security and Medicare. Citizens and corporate entities are all required to pay taxes, be it at the federal, state, or local level. We pay taxes to the government and entrust them to accomplish these positive impacts on society while using our tax dollars in an efficient manner. Governments may levy various types of taxes, each serving a different purpose. There are also varying degrees to which the average person may be subject to them. Income-based taxes, taxes that are reported and paid on the annual income tax filings with the Internal Revenue Service. Heavy checkmark income tax, a tax levied on the wages, salaries, investment income such as interest and dividends, or other forms of income an individual or household earns and receives. Heavy checkmark capital gains tax, a tax levied on profit from the sale of property or an investment. Heavy checkmark corporate income tax, a tax levied on the business profits of corporate entities. Payroll taxes, taxes paid on the wages and salaries of employees to finance social insurance programs. These taxes are withheld directly from your paycheck if you are a W-2 employee and paid through the income tax return if self-employed. They are made up of two components. Heavy checkmark Social Security tax, a 6.2% tax on earned wages, with funds used for Social Security benefits paid to those eligible. Heavy checkmark Medicare tax, a tax of 1.45% on earned wages with funds used to pay for Medicare, Part A benefits. Property taxes, taxes based on the value of a property, paid by the property owner. Heavy checkmark real estate taxes, a tax based on the value of your home. Heavy checkmark VIC,